friends. Thank you for tuning into Tish BTV. Today's quick and simple spring inspired craft is right on time for the Easter weekend, which is coming up very, very soon. And I wanted to share with you. I was inspired because I was getting ready to purchase Easter baskets to donate to a local organization. And as I put the baskets in my cart, I realized that they were $10 a piece. Not bad, right? But there was nothing in the basket. So I said, you know, I can probably create a basket for a boy and a girl for about $5. At least I want to challenge myself to see if I can do that and have some contents that they can actually use. So if you are interested to see if I pulled it off for $5 a basket, meaning that with the $20 that I was going to spend for just 2 baskets, now I can donate 4 baskets. This is a perfect idea if you're going to do this for a ministry, an organization, maybe your co-workers, you want to surprise all of their kids with Easter baskets, or you want to create your own for your family members or friends. Either way, we're saving money and we're doing it looking good. So if you're interested, stay tuned and take a look. My first stop was at Walmart, and I bought a blue basket for a boy and a pink basket for a girl, and I paid 88 cents for these baskets. Love it. Under $1. And there were a pack of these game booklets that just have little coloring pages in them that I'm going to include in each one of the baskets. And here is the package. Well, I've ripped through it by now, but as you can see, they were 98 cents for 6 game booklets. So I can actually use these for other Easter related activities. So for the boys basket, I went over to Dollar Tree and I got a blue baseball and bat, and I don't know if this is going to fit in here, so let me sit it in there like that. And water guns. I mean, this is the time for them, right? There's 3 in there, so you can play with some friends. And going along with the springtime fun, I got this large bubble wand in blue. Let me get some order to that. What else did I get for a boy? Oh, and chocolate. A little chocolate bunny. This is all for the boy basket, and I'm going to include one of the game booklets in here. Now, as you saw when I went through the store, and the baskets that I was going to purchase to donate did not have nearly all of that in there. And I spent well under $5, or no more than $5 for the boys basket. So for the little girls basket, Dollar Tree had dolls. Okay. Little dress up fun kit with bracelets, earrings, and 2 rings. And I'm assuming that these baskets are going to go to smaller kids, ranging from 3 years old to maybe 7 or 8. So try to get something that would fit those age groups. And here is a pink bubble wand for her basket. And just like the little boy's basket, I'm going to include a chocolate bunny in there. And she will also get a game booklet. Y'all, under $5. So really, with the $20 that I was going to spend for just 2 baskets, I can now donate 4 baskets. That's so awesome. I am going to wrap these with cellophane and top it off with a bow, and I will show you that finished product. So I already had packing paper on hand, and I keep this on hand so that I can stuff gifts when I am creating them. So I used one sheet, crumbled it up, put it inside of the basket, and I already had green shred on hand, so I'm just throwing a few pieces in here, and I'm going to use the rest after I put all of the gifts in. See, I have some more. I'm going to use the rest of it to just fill in some areas once all of the gifts are in. Okay, here's the finished product. I love how these turned out. Very simple. Each basket was $5, give or take a few cents. I added some packing paper and extra tissue just to make some of the items stand up on their own a little bit better than what they were. And I had green shred already on hand. And cellophane, I keep that in rolls. And I just added ribbon to the top of the baskets. And I am so happy that I went with being creative versus having to spend, you know, $20 for 2 baskets when I spent $10 for 2 baskets, and I'm even able to go and get more supplies to make 2 more to donate. If you are all about easy, quick, and budget chic projects like this, give this video a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to the Tish B channel if you haven't already, and let me know your thoughts down in the comment area about maybe some Easter projects that you'd like to see or that you are working on yourself. I'd love to hear from you, and until next time, design and live the life that you love. Have a great day. Bye.